Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to retrieve WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So first, if you want to create a backup here on your WhatsApp, you just have to click this three dots at the top right corner and then locate settings, tap settings. Now scroll down and look for chats. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to simply look for chat backup. So tap chats again, scroll down, and then look for chat backup. Tap this one and make sure that you're logged in to that specific account or email account. For frequency, you can tap daily, weekly, or monthly. Everything is up to you. But for me, I would rather choose daily. And then here you have to wait as it is backing up the message. So it will take a few seconds or minute, depends on your internet. Then once done, you can now exit your chat backup or your WhatsApp application and go to your Google Play Store and look for Google Drive and then install. If you haven't installed this, once done, click open. And this is what it looks like. So you have your Google Drive with you and make sure that you're connected to that same account with your WhatsApp account. Now tap this three lines at the top left corner and there you will see backups and all you have to do is to open that. You will see there your WhatsApp and you will see there your retrieved messages. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.